When you sit down to plan your writing lessons, does it look like this? Or more like this? You don't deserve to spend your nights and weekends this way. Hi, I'm Allison, and I'm a reading specialist. As a former classroom teacher, I loved teaching writing. But some years, I had no writing curriculum to use. Other years, the lessons I had just weren't engaging or effective. I knew I wasn't the only teacher who had these problems, so I decided to sit down and type out all the writing lessons I'd taught. I wrote out everything that a teacher would do and say during each lesson, and I added in extras like posters, rubrics, and graphic organizers. I used the lessons with my own students and made changes based upon what worked best. Now you can use these lesson plans too. Visit my Teachers Pay Teachers store to find out more about how my kindergarten, first grade, or second grade writing curriculum can save you time and stress, so you can get back to this.